In this tutorial, we'll show you how to delete all your messages on Facebook Messenger at once in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Before we start, please subscribe this channel and must like this video. First, open Messenger from the home page. If you try to select any chat, you'll notice there's no option to select all chats for deletion. To enable this feature, follow these steps. Click on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Locate the gear icon on the top right corner and click on it. Scroll down and select the option labeled Report Technical Problem. On the next screen, a screenshot of your settings will automatically be taken. You can delete this screenshot by clicking the cross icon. Now, type the following message. Hello Facebook Messenger team. I want to delete all my conversations, including all messages. Please help me delete them all at once, waiting for your response. After typing the message, click the send button located in the top right corner. Finally, wait for a response from the Facebook Messenger support team.